Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Alex, and ladies and gentlemen, today we're finally gonna fix the car. Yeah, I was gonna put the wheels now, but sadly I need a lifter, and that's exactly what I'm gonna buy now, or at least try to buy. I don't know how expensive they are. Spending too much money right now in the car. It's not a good time to spend that much money because I'm going to Portugal next week. 2 weeks. So actually, wait. Next week I'm going back home, like for Austria. So it's been a week since I'm in Portugal now, and yeah, it's not really a good time to be spending that much money on the car because trips are expensive and shit. So yeah, I'm gonna buy the lifter now, or at least try to find one that's not that expensive. And you guys come with me, and then we're gonna put the wheels on the car and the light, and see what we do with the brakes. Yeah, we arrived, but I'm waiting for my girlfriend's father to come because he said he wants to go with us for some reason, and I said, well, hell yeah, let's go. So yeah, just waiting for him. So no luck at this shop, at this store, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna try another one. See if we got a little bit more luck. I just hope it's not that expensive, for real. Somewhere. So yeah, I'm gonna take this one, and I'll see you guys in the car. Not a big fan of cabrios, to be honest. My thing is coupes. I love coupes, love it. That's why I want the next car to be a coupe. And I already know what car I want to buy next year, but not right now, because I'm trying to not ask the bank for money. I'm trying to pay all it like cash, but next year for sure. Let's fucking go.
Podes levantar, já está combinado.
I hope the tire is just empty. But yeah, let's see. 0% luck, I guess. Alright, the tire is filled. I'm gonna put this one there and hope it's good and it's not fucked. And then I put this on the other side. Yeah, the wheels look cool though. Now we lower the car. Just kidding. I won't, but yeah, we go too. I hope it doesn't need. Yes, 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 yes. Finally, just one more. Then we can move on to the lights. Anyways, I'm gonna take some pictures of the wheels so I can sell them, try to get some money, and then we're gonna do the lights. Plugs off. We shall try it. We test them. Let's see if everything is working. And it's the new one. Now we gotta remove. Still can't believe I paid 30 euros because of this shit. Oh, they're a little bit different though. Not that much, but the button size is different. I think I like this one more, the new one. Yeah, I think. Don't know. Perfect. Well, this broke because I didn't see. Fuck, my bad. Come on, dude. Maybe I can like get it stuck. I hope. Okay. Well, I think it works. Whatever. Yay! Oh my god. I'm getting stressed though. Because of the brakes, I don't know what to do with the brakes. Now I just gotta put this one back together. Oh shit. Yes. I just left my place and I can already tell like how much difference the wheels make. Jesus. The car feels lighter, like turns better. I don't know, man. It's one of those things where like you just realize how bad what you had was until you have new. Like, oh, the feeling turning is so much better. It felt stuck when I had the other wheels because, well, they were eating the suspension. So like, man, it feels so much better now. Jesus. I just need to fix the brake and we're Gucci for now. Then I can make the pickle, which is the inspection, and I can make it, like fix it slowly, like a month, like 3-4 parts, next month 3-4 parts, and then I can save for the next car, which is gonna be my big project. The reason I want to fix this car before I buy that one is like, if one breaks, I always have one car to go to work, you know? If I start investing too much money on this like project, then if it breaks, I'm in problems to go work, you know? So I'm gonna drink a coffee, buy some cigarettes, and then I'll see you all. Alright, peace. I just realized something like about these fucking brakes, bro. I need to fix them. Like, you're gonna see now when I start speeding, the car literally brakes. 1, 2, 3, foot off. Look, it's braking. It's literally braking. Look, I'm doing nothing. So yeah, you gotta fix this. And I give you two reasons for that. So first of all, the car is pushing like way more than it should. Second of all, my brakes are just gonna be faster if I don't fix them. And third, like the gas, I'm forcing the car to have strength, you know. So basically, it consumes like twice as much gas than it should. And also, it don't brake as good as it should. Like, you see, like it doesn't stop. It stops slowly, you know. So yeah, we gotta fix this ASAP. So guys, yesterday I was like, I actually don't remember that. I think I was looking for the brake fluid, and well, I had no luck. So I ended up running out of battery and just ended up not recording anymore. So yeah, the video was getting like too big, so I decided to split it in half. And yeah, today I'm gonna do the brakes and all of that, but not on this video, so you see it next week. So I'm sorry for that. Love you guys.